Welcome, today I am with SoundPeats H2 and I'll show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. So in most cases, when you try to connect this earbuds to your device, you have to remove them from the case and they will be turned on and in the pairing mode automatically. And that's how it looks in my case, so I can tap on them and I will be connected. But what you have to do when it's not happening to you, so they are not on the list. Take a look. At the first you have to turn them off. So how we can make it, in this place you can find touch control panels, so let's click and hold both at the same time until indicators blinks on the red at the same time. Right now we can release. The next step, we have to turn them on and move to the pairing mode. So we have to click and hold both buttons, keep holding. And right now we can release when the left one starts blinking on the red and when the right one is highlighted on the white. Right now when you refresh the list, let's turn off and turn on the Bluetooth back, you will find SoundPeats right here for the 100% and you will be able to finally pair them. As you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.